Welcome, in front of me is a POCO M6 Pro, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you want to hold down your toggles by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then flip through the pages till you see the screen recording toggle. Should be somewhere on one of the pages. Oh, there we go, there it is for me. So once you see this toggle, you can simply tap on it. This will bring up this overlay right here with 4 different options. First one would be the record. The folder one is to gain access to all the screen recordings. Then you have the settings and also the close option. Now in the settings, you can customize the quality of the screen recording. By default, it is set pretty well. You might want to maybe change things like the frame rate to something a little bit more reasonable, like 60. Though if you're planning to maybe record some kind of guide videos, something like I am, then 30 will be okay. It will take less space compared to the 60, meaning storage space, while the 60 frames will look much smoother, and it's probably going to be a go-to option if you're planning to record gameplays. Anyway, once everything is set, you can just close this and then click on the red circle to start recording. Once you stop the recording, and by tapping on the red square, this will save your screen recording to your Photos application. Obviously, you can also locate it in that little folder in the overlay. This will just take you to a single location where you have only screen recordings, while if you go through the Photos application, if I can actually find it, there we go. Here, you can navigate to Library, and we will have our screen recording located in the camera folder, unfortunately, which means that it will be jumbled up between all your photos, videos, screenshots, and screen recordings. So finding such a thing later on down the line might not be as easy, so probably going through this option and the folder might be a little bit easier for you, as you can see. Anyway, in here you can tap on your screen recording to start viewing it. If I can find the play button. Oh, there we go. Now, I opened up Netflix specifically for one of the reasons that I wanted to showcase. If you ever encounter that your screen recording provides you with this, which is just a fully black screen, even though you could go back on a video and see that there was content visible there. I'm just gonna mention this is normal. I mean, it's not acceptable, but it's apparently normal. So your device, even though you purchased it full price, you have no control over this, because some scammy little shit application decides that it doesn't want to be recorded, and hence that will be the way your phone will work. Now, to clarify this option was designed for security purposes, and applications like bank apps would benefit from this, because if you ever had some kind of malware that would try to spy on your applications and maybe see what kind of passwords you're putting in and all that stuff, obviously this kind of feature prevents it. But where it doesn't matter is with Netflix or Hulu or any other streaming platform that will utilize this, along with plethora of other applications that should have no business using this, but yet they do, and yet you have no option to change it. So just want to point that out, that if you ever encounter such a thing, just know that whatever shit application you are trying to record just decided that it won't allow you to use your phone the way you want to. Now anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.